Working with microscopy data and have CZI files from a Zeiss instrument? This is the native image format for one of the world's leading microscope manufacturers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and analyze these Carl Zeiss microscopy images. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized CZI file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. CZI files are microscopy image files, created by Carl Zeiss microscope systems and Zen imaging software. They contain multidimensional scientific image data, including multi-channel Z-stack, time-lapse, tile scan, and spectral imaging datasets with complete acquisition metadata, instrument settings and calibration information for biological and materials research. Carl Zeiss CZI files use a proprietary container format based on the Open Microscopy Environment model, storing multidimensional pixel data with JPEG XR or LZW compression. The format includes extensive metadata for acquisition parameters, objective specifications, fluorescent channel definitions, and spatial calibration data. The core professional tool for handling the CZI format is Zeiss Zen Lite from Carl Zeiss AG. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system. Windows cannot read natively. Windows can display the image, but layer level or advanced edits require proper editing software. Open the menu by right-clicking your CZI file and choosing Open with TES, ZES, Zen Lite first if it is visible. If not, select another application. Different tools have different strengths with specific formats. If the CZI file is still giving you trouble, relax. This particular CZI file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, opening in Zen software. Open the CZI file in ZES, Zen Blue, or Zen Lite, the free image viewing version downloadable from Zeiss.com. Zen displays the multi-dimensional image with channel selectors, Z-stack sliders, and time series controls. Use the viewer to navigate through focal planes channels and time points with measurement and annotation tools. Next, using open source viewers. Open CZI files in Fiji ImageJ using the Bioformats plugin, which reads CZI files with full metadata support. Install Bioformats from the Fiji update sites and use plugins, then Bioformats Importer to load the CZI file. Fiji provides comprehensive image analysis measurement and processing capabilities. Finally, exporting for analysis. In Zen or Fiji, export CZI images to TIFF, OMI-TIFF, or PNG format for use in other analysis applications. OMI-TIFF preserves multi-dimensional structure and metadata. For presentations, export maximum intensity projections or rendered 3D views. Use Fiji's batch processing for automated analysis of multiple CZI datasets. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.